Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can switch between language models to use in your searches and prompts in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this, guys. So open up the Perplexity/Comet AI web browser. And what you want to do is let me just open a new tab to show you how it's done for a new prompt. You can open a new tab here in Perplexity/Comet AI by clicking into that button in the top right corner and select a new tab, or simply click into that plus button here like you do on Google Chrome. So let me go with that new tab here. So you may use your account on Perplexity to communicate with the artificial intelligence to enter your prompt and to give it the command, for example, to navigate to a specific website, like in a web browser, or to look up information in the web. So it's basically an AI-driven web browser. So what you want to do, guys, to change the language model is simply click into that button below that text field here where you enter your prompt. Next to the globe button here, choose a model and simply select the one you would like to use. Usually it is set to this one, but you can maybe go with GPT-5, which is OpenAI's language model, with Claude, with Gemini, of course, Grok, and so on and so forth. You can go with Sonar, which is used by Perplexity. So that's it. And after that, simply enter your prompt and start using the language model. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.